guys.
You want to say hi, guys? Hi, guys.
No, guys, we're gonna have a home stop.
It ain't even cold outside. Now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Had their birthday yesterday. Now we are going to be singing happy birthday to them. How many years? I think I can guess. 30? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, that's another hand. Okay, let us put our hands together for our two. And I will not say what Sister Barbara will say, so it's up to you. I know Sister Barbara is watching and she might be disappointed. Okay.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to day, what is this, day 7, day 8, somewhere thereabouts of Vlogmas. Right now my battery is flashing, but I just want to show you guys what I'm having. I'm having a toaster strudel, like setting up a test for my class. So yeah, that's what's going on. Let us get into this video. Hi guys, so I just finished filming like 2 videos. I'm in my father's office, by the way. So I just finished filming 2 videos. So when you guys see those 2 videos, I think you're gonna see one of them before you see this one. So don't mind me in the same clothes, because your girl trying to make videos at the same time. By the way, guys, I invested in 2 other memory cards. I have one in the camera plus this one. They're all 32 gig. I'm going to now get to editing this video and uploading, because editing a video that's supposed to upload that you guys saw yesterday. That's the video I'm going to edit now, so that I can upload it now. I was kind of behind because yesterday I have been so exhausted. I just said to myself, I'm not gonna do anything yesterday. I didn't look at any schoolwork, any YouTube work. I was so exhausted. About 2 days or 2 nights I went to my bed like after 1, so I just said, your girl going to some sleep. Hey guys, so we're kind of running behind time for today's vlog. So I don't know who's sending me messages, but guys, we're just uploading today's video. Unfortunately, don't know why I'm so late today. Hi boo. I was saying hey, so
Yo.
hey.
Sup.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna pause my work for a while because I'm tired, kind of tired of this schoolwork. So I'm going around there to do some house cleaning after I finish uploading this. And
but you don't hear oh Jalisa noisy. Can you send me a picture to me now?
I'm gonna send no picture.
Jalisa!
This kid though, guys, I can't wait for these bumps to just, no, these spots to just clear. But guys, how y'all doing? How y'all enjoying the Vlogmas content? I know yesterday's video was like the one I'm uploading, it's not a vlog per se, but it was like a sit down video, a Christmas tag. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. yeah, anyways, we're gonna go back to vlogging, and then we're gonna take another break tomorrow because I have a collab to upload tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what is going on right now. So this video, my Christmas tag, if you guys have not yet checked it out, go ahead and do so, like right now. I am 85% in and stuff, so yay. Alright guys, I'm busy. I'm really busy. Hi. 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 Alright guys, so
I just want to say hi guys.
you want to say hi guys? Hi guys.
No guys, we're gonna have a thumbs up.
Gonna have a thumbs up. Sam, I wanna leave my child. Wanna leave her.
What's our birthday? Give me a blouse.
Give me my yes right. Give me a thumbs up.
You want a thumbs up?
Yes.
Man, a drop. Sit,
Thumbs
sit,
up.
sit, sit. Stay work. Good girl. Alright guys, so Mama buy the lights then, right? So I remember telling us that the tree wanted a light at the bottom. I am gonna put that in like right now.
Kiss me.
I think this is it. I don't think I need more than one. So I'm gonna set you up and we are gonna do that. Hi.
Hi.
Let me check
Hi.
Guys, I finally get all the lights. So what I did, look what me do, people, look what me do. Look what me do. I placed like the lights at the bottom. So yeah, that's the final tree thing. I don't think I'm gonna put any more. When I can't say more, I don't want to make so much noise in my vlog.
Is Jalisa your own child?
Me say I'm gonna beat her Bamsy. Anyways, so yes, that is that for the tree. We're gonna plug it out. We need an extension though, because that extension belongs in my room. We ain't got no more extension because extension have shorts. So yeah, right. So I have this haul to do now. These are decorate. Okay, cute. All right, so I started. This is what I have so far. So I placed, this is what the tiny tree was on, so I placed that there. These chairs, this bed I need to fix up, and then tidy these, wipe down that, and then I'll be done with this haul. But this is gonna take a while. Yeah, but yeah, it's a tiny place, doesn't take that long.
I'm tracing. I'm tracing.
You finished tracing? Okay. Alright guys, so in my Christmas tag video I did mention Sorrel, and surprisingly my mother is doing it. So I did show you guys a picture of it, but here's the real thing. Yes, the real thing, the real real thing. So I had mommy. Let the crowd know what you're doing.
First of all, I'm washing it. Sit here, baby.
And then what you do with it after you wash it?
Over here. I'm putting it in a bucket. So it's not plastic.
She and her plastic in the video.
Sorry people, I'm sorry. I need to feed the children. You know? So, I'm washing it. Changing it over into this plastic bucket.
And then we do
because when you put it in a thing like this, it takes up the taste of the pot and make it, you know, ugly also. So you usually dry it in a plastic container.
So after you put it, sorry, know that you put water, hot water on it down.
Yes, and the ginger. I grated the ginger.
She grated the ginger.
I'm going to pour it in the hot water, and then I'm going to pour the hot water and everything in this bucket here.
Okay. Well, something.
So this is come.
Yeah.
Pouring that in.
So she put the ginger in the water. Yeah. Now the boiling, people, boiling water. And then she go and put it on this, don't?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Careful the mamsie. Lord have his mercy, the hot water. See it there? Yeah, the good Sorrel people. So you know, as I said, we don't do eggnog in Christmas, we do Sorrel. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've cleaned down at everywhere except for, you know, the drawers down there. But I have to figure out well, that's not working. I don't know where that I go, but I want that shit away. But anyways, I cleaned off even the TV and all. So just to wipe off the glass and to figure out that thing here. And then I'll be done with this, and then I can just, oh yes, I need to figure out that around here so too. And then clean off this, clear about the chair, and I'm done. Hi guys, so I'm back from practice, but I'm doing some work. I am so behind on work, but I am doing my register. Oops, sorry. So I'm doing my register, so I have to go through all of this, y'all. I even made a mistake, and that can't fix. I make some mistake over here so too, because this wasn't supposed to be there, but that is whatever. I'm gonna finish this, and then I have some more work to do. I have to set up my classes for the week. I think I'm gonna set up for the week, so I don't have to do it again. Plus I might just schedule my tests from now. It depends. I have to wait on the overhead first, but I'm gonna do this and eat dinner and continue working. I even have some CXC stuff to do, so I have a lot to do today.